rectangle. All sides of rectangles are given below. Find the value of x and y. Find perimeter and area. Now let us draw a rectangle. All sides of rectangle are given. That is, first side is 2x plus y plus 8. Second side is x plus 4. Third side is 4x minus y. Fourth side is 2y. Since quadrilateral ABCD is a rectangle, therefore opposite sides of rectangle are equal or same. That means 2y is equal to x plus 4 and another side 2x plus y plus 8 is equal to 4x minus y. So, 2y will remain as it is, plus x will shift this side, so it will get converted into minus x, which is equal to 4. Arranged it, x plus 2y, which is equal to 4. This is equation 1. Similarly, solve this part. X term, let us take together, that is 2x plus 4x will shift this side, so it will get converted into minus x, is equal to minus y is over here, plus y will shift this side, it will get converted into minus y, plus 8 will shift this side, it will get converted into minus 8, or else 2x plus 4x will shift this side, it will get converted into minus 4x, plus y will remain as it is, minus y will shift this side, so again it will get converted into plus y, and plus 8 will shift this side, so plus 8 will become minus 8. 2 minus 4, which is equal to 2, but greater number sign is minus. Y plus y, which is equal to 2y, is equal to minus 8. This is equation 2. Now multiply. Minus x plus 2y is equal to 4. This is equation 1. Minus 2x plus 2y is equal to minus 8. This is equation 2. Since there is same multiple present, that is 2, but we need opposite sign. For opposite sign, subtract equation 1 from 2. Subtracting equation 1 and 2, minus x plus 2y is equal to 4, minus 2x plus 2y is equal to minus 8. Minus sign will get converted into plus, plus sign will get converted into minus, minus will get converted into plus. Plus 2y minus 2y will get cancel out. Minus x plus 2x, that is minus into plus is minus. 2 minus 1, which is equal to 1x, because greater number sign present over there is plus 1. Now 8 plus 4, which is equal to 12. Therefore, value of x is equal to 12. X is equal to 12 in equation 1. Equation 1 is minus x plus 2y, which is equal to 4. Instead of x, substitute minus 12. Minus sign is present over here, so minus value of x is 12. Plus 2y is equal to 4. 2y will remain as it is, 4. Minus 12 will shift this side, so it will get converted into plus 12. 2y is equal to 12 plus 4 is 16. Y is equal to multiplication part will get converted into division. Y is equal to 8. That is 2 1s are 2, 2 8s are 16. Therefore, the value of x is equal to 12 and y is equal to 8. Now to find area of rectangle formalize length into breadth, that is rectangle is length into breadth. Now length over here is either 2x plus y plus 8 or 4x minus y, and breadth is 2y or x plus 4. I am considering length as 2x plus y plus 8 and breadth as 2y. Length is equal to 2x plus y plus 8 and breadth is equal to 2y. 2 instead of x substitute 12 plus y, instead of y substitute 8 plus 8. First multiply, 12 2s are 24, 8 plus 8 is 16, 6 plus 4 is 10, 2 plus 1 3, 3 plus 1 which is equal to 40, and breadth is equal to 2y, that is 2 into 8 which is equal to 16. Now again area of rectangle which is equal to length into breadth. Length value is 40, breadth value is 16. 14, 16 4s are 64, 640. Since area, that 4 square centimeter unit. Now to find perimeter of rectangle, formalize perimeter means addition of all four sides, that is 2 length 2 breadth, 2L plus 2B, 2 into 2 common, that is L plus B, 2 into value of length is 40, value of breadth is 16, 2 into 40 plus 16 which is equal to 56, 12, 5 2s are 10, 10 plus 2 which is equal to 111 square units. The sum of the father's age and twice the age of his son is 70. If we double the age of the father and add it to the age of his son, the sum is 95. Find their present age. Important sum. Let the age of father be X and age of son be Y. Now first condition, the sum of the father's age and twice the age of his son is 70. Father's age, sum means addition sign, twice means 2 times the age of son, is means is equal to, which is equal to 70. Father's age is X, 2 into son's age is Y, which is equal to 70. Therefore X plus 2Y is equal to 70. This is equation 1. Now second condition, if we double the age of father and add it to the age of his son, the sum is 95. Double the age of father means 2 times father's age and add means plus to the age of his son. Son's age is Y. The sum is 95. That is 2 into, instead of father substitute X, son is Y, which is equal to 95. 2x plus y is equal to 95. This is equation 2. Now let us consider equation 1 and 2. In first equation, either multiply equation 1 by 2, or in second equation either multiply equation 2 by 2. We are multiplying equation 1 by 2, that is 2x plus 2 into 2, which is equal to 4y, is equal to 70 into 2, which is equal to 140. This is equation 3. Now since number present, since common multiple is 2 but we need opposite sign, so subtracting equation 2 and 3, subtracting equation 3 from 2, that is 2x plus y is equal to 95, 2x plus 4y is equal to 140. Now in subtraction, plus sign will get converted into minus, plus sign will get converted into minus, plus sign will get converted into minus. Plus 2x minus 2x will get cancelled out. Plus into minus is minus, 4 minus 1 which is equal to 3y, but greater number sign is minus. 140 minus 95, that is 10 minus 5 is 5, 13 minus 9, 45, greater number sign is minus, so final answer is minus. Minus minus will get cancelled out, y is equal to 45, multiplication part will get converted into division, 3 1s are 3, 1 carry, 3 5s are. Therefore y is equal to 15. Now substituting y is equal to 15 in equation 1, that is x plus 2y is equal to 70, x plus 2 into, instead of y substitute 15 which is equal to 70, x is equal to 15, 2s are 30 is equal to 70, x is equal to 70 plus 30 will shift this side, it will get converted into minus 30, x is equal to 40. Therefore the age of father is equal to, therefore father age is equal to 40 years and son's age is equal to 15 years.
बंगल्यावरती गेल्या वेळेला का एकदम मजा करायची.